Republic of Pakistan is a sovereign state in South Asia. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is one of the 4 provinces of Pakistan located in northwest of the country. Mardan is a district in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The city of Mardan is the headquarters of the district. Khyber Tobacco Company is located in Mardan. Khyber Tobacco is a complete manufacturing entity from crop to consumers. Khyber Tobacco Company was established by Samson's Group in 1954. The group succeeded in harvesting the world-class tobacco and utilizing it in manufacturing the top brand cigarettes for local and international market. The Samson's Group of companies consists of fast-moving consumer goods, textile, health, education, business to and export of tobacco. The core business of Samson's Group of companies is tobacco and is run under the label of Khyber Tobacco Company. Khyber Tobacco Company has 2 main manufacturing divisions: tobacco manufacturing and export, and cigarette manufacturing. So talking about the tobacco manufacturing in core details, which starts from cultivation. It consists of 3 main steps: sowing, transplanting, and harvesting. Tobacco is cultivated annually. It is germinated in cold frames or hot beds and then transplanted to the field until it matures. Tobacco is grown in warm climates with rich, well-drained soil. As Khyber Tobacco Company is located in Mardan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan, this place is blessed with suitable weather and best soil for the cultivation of world-class quality tobacco. After cultivation is done, the next process is curing the leaf. The leaves are carefully, gradually dried in a specially constructed barn by air curing, flue curing, and sun curing. The cured tobacco leaf is then forwarded to the green leaf threshing plant, or GLT. A green leaf threshing plant where tobacco is processed after curing is a busy place. In the beginning, tobacco leaves are placed over the feeding table where a number of workers are busy inspecting the tobacco leaf. They pick up the damaged or cracked leaf and won't let them go to the next stage. This assures the quality control. Feeding table basically feeds the tobacco leaves to the conditioning cylinder, where the tobacco leaves are placed for proper moisture which is necessary for the dry leaves to avoid dust and cracks, and then headed towards the thresher, which is the main process of GLT. In thresher, the lamina portion is separated from the stem by a series of openers and pneumatic separators. The lamina portion is then sent to the lamina dyers and then to lamina conventional press, which is a conventional packing system for tobacco leaves. Finally, the leaves are packed in conventional bales in C48 cartons and are forwarded to the warehouse. Here, they are ready for the export. The second unit of Khyber Tobacco Company is Cigarette Manufacturing Division, also called CMD, where the cigarettes of different top international brands are manufactured. Cigarette manufacturing consists of various stages. It starts from the primary process, that is, preparation of tobacco. Primary process converts tobacco leaf that has arrived in big cases into batches of cut tobacco that are ready to be made into cigarettes. There are 3 stages to the primary process: conditioning, cutting, and drying. All of the leaf in a batch is fed through the conditioning line and is then placed into a blending silo where it is layered to ensure effective blending. This is important as each batch contains numerous grades of leaf from different parts of the tobacco plant. After blending, the leaf is cut into thin strands so that it can be made into a cigarette. The cut tobacco leaf is then dried back to a moisture level suitable for making cigarette. This whole process is monitored electrically and blend by testing with various quality assurance tests to form the final blend that is then ready to be made into cigarettes. Khyber Tobacco Company has different brands of cigarettes with varied taste and smoke yield. Khyber Tobacco Company has specially designed test lab for world-class tobacco blends. It has qualified agriculturists who are busy in producing the wide range of cigarette blends. The next important entity is making of filters. The factory of Khyber Tobacco Company has the latest state-of-the-art cigarette filter making machines which is fully computerized and can produce 4,000 filters per minute. A cigarette filter is made up of cellulose acetate which forms a web of fibers made from wood pulp. In a filter maker, this band of compact fibers is mechanically stretched to open the fibers up, sprayed with a plasticizer to bind them together, wrapped with thin paper, cut, and fed into cigarette making machine. In the factory, the design of the filter can be varied by making perforations, by changing its length or its density, by using more fibers, by the fineness of the fibers, and by the type of the material used. Finally, the prepared tobacco and quality filters are gathered in assembling of cigarettes. Basically, the roll of cigarette paper runs on a sort of conveyor belt where the hopper of tobacco forces the shreds onto the belt just as it rolls over on itself, causing the paper to form a roll with the tobacco in it. The finished cigarettes are then hopped and fed into a wrapping mechanism. Each brand has a specific tobacco recipe, an exclusively designed paper, level of filter ventilation, tipping, and graphic printing. And to assure all these parameters, Khyber Tobacco Company has a quality control check section where the finally assembled cigarettes are thoroughly inspected. If a cigarette is found defective, it is eliminated from the final stack of cigarettes before proceeding to the packing stage. The final stage of cigarette manufacturing in Khyber Tobacco Company is the packing. This process involves finally assembled cigarettes, specially designed paper cards to make boxes, foil paper, and glue. These essentials are fed through a series of stages to be processed and finally pack the cigarettes in the form of small packs to the big cartons, and they are ready to be delivered to the market. To unveil the social aspect of Samson's Group, after establishing a successful business of tobacco, the managing director of the company, being a philanthropist as well, established a number of schools in Mardan with well-equipped science and computer labs on no profit, no loss basis. To serve the people of this area in both ways, that is by providing job opportunities for the school staff and spreading education to the masses.
Building on our legacy of over 50 years, Khyber Tobacco Company is becoming a global player in the tobacco and cigarette industry. Our vision is to outperform nationally and internationally through our brilliant team, customer service, keeping ourselves responsible for social well-being. Our customers from the Middle East to Africa, Europe deal exclusively with us for a range of products because we consistently deliver expected quality and have won numerous awards for it. Our core strength lies in a strong relationship with our tobacco growers. I'm fully confident that we can deliver tobacco products which can meet international quality standards.
To serve humanity in another way, he focused on health problems and started his next project, Samson's Trust Hospital, which is on its way to the completion. Samson's Group is also running a fully equipped cotton spinning mill located in Gadoon, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan, and the group has planned to expand it soon to the fabric weaving unit. Khyber Tobacco Company has further designed plans for the welfare and betterment of the nation. Also, Khyber Tobacco Company is keen to bring Pakistan into the frontline world of tobacco export.